Hey, digital pioneers. I'm Jeremy.
And I'm Clyde. Welcome to our corner of the digital universe where we dive into the latest in blockchain, NFTs, and all things Web3.
Today's news: Square Enix invests in Web3 and NFT gaming platform HyperPlay.
And hey, if you like journeying with us, make sure to drop us a like, subscribe, hit the bell, share with your friends, and don't forget, comment below with your thoughts or what you'd like us to cover next.
Clyde, did you catch the news? Square Enix just teamed up with HyperPlay, the Web3 gaming platform. They're diving deep into the future with a big investment to supercharge the HyperPlay game store.
That's a major move. Their titles like Final Fantasy have set the bar. Now they're stepping into Web3 with HyperPlay. What's the deal with this partnership?
Well, part of the deal is launching Square Enix's Symbiogenesis, this MetaMask-based art thing on HyperPlay. It's all about owning digital assets, which is pretty wild.
That's the future talking. And Square Enix isn't just dipping a toe. They're jumping in with both feet. Hideaki Uehara from Square Enix mentioned they're all in on HyperPlay's vision for distributing games and creating better business models for developers.
Exactly. And it's all part of Square Enix's bigger plan to shake things up with blockchain, Web3, and AI. They're not just playing games. They're looking to redefine the game.
Sounds like they're laying down the groundwork for a new era in gaming. And HyperPlay's founder, Jacob C. Eth, is aiming high too. He's talking about fixing the big problems with old-school game distribution and opening up new ways for devs to thrive with Web3.
That's the spirit. And there's more on the horizon. HyperPlay's not stopping with just being a Web3 native game distributor. They're planning to bring in more game stores, expand to different platforms, and even smooth out the whole Web3 gaming experience for players.
And I hear they're bringing Mac users into the fold soon. Plus, an integration with Amazon in Q2 2024. That'll bring Amazon Prime gaming titles and perks straight to HyperPlay. Now, that's a game changer.
Totally, Clyde. Square Enix and HyperPlay are setting the stage for something huge. Web3 gaming's about to hit a whole new level, and I'm here for it. The future's looking bright, and it's full of games. That's a wrap on today's Digital Deep Dive. Thanks for exploring the cutting edge with us.
We're always here to unravel the next big thing in blockchain, Web3, and NFTs. Your curiosity fuels our exploration, so keep those gears turning and let us know what's on your mind.
If you enjoyed our digital digest, don't just keep it to yourself. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, share, and join the conversation in the comments. What blew your mind today?
Until next time, keep pushing boundaries and exploring the digital cosmos. This is Clyde.
And Jeremy signing off. Catch you in the next episode.